Let's understand how to download this finite element method magnetics. A Windows finite element solver for 2D and asymmetric magnetic, electrostatic, heat flow and current flow problems with graphical pre and post processors. So you can go ahead with as per your machine, the 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, and other older versions are also available. So this is the procedure we could observe if we want to use it with other sources like uh, with Octave or with MATLAB or the others. So let's try it. Let's download. You can go ahead with the 32-bit or the 64-bit. I'm trying with 34-bit first. So we have to accept the agreement. Next, provide the browse folder. So it is going to take almost 10.5 MB of your disk space. Go next, click on next, click on next, and click on install. So through that, the FEMM software will get installed. The required additional things it will download if needed while installing. So you have to wait until the setup installs completely. Then the window will come on your screen showing completing the FEMM, that is Finite Element Method Magnetic Software Setup Wizard, and you can click on finish, and hence your software is installed properly. This is the software FEMM software installation procedure.